Hey everyone, Liz here from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is 21st of October 2022 and I'll be analyzing Tesla, which there's no SX code, but US code. So just type Tesla on your broker account. And if your broker account allows you trading US stocks, here we go. The one that we normally use to trade US stock is either ANZ investment, share investment, and also Tiger Brokers both allow trading US stock. The most compelling reason I'm actually recording this video about Tesla is the first video ever I'm doing about this company is first of all because the stock is currently trading in a buying area. It's very easy for me to record a video after the stock rally 40-50% and talk about the stock. But then everyone has missed the boat. So my goal here, my job here is talk about a company, a great quality company that is in buying area, that when it is prior of a potential rally. And that's where we add most value for our viewers in this channel. So if you like, please subscribe and let's have a look on Tesla. Now, if you guys, this is the chart formation. I'm going to get back to the chart formation in a minute. First of all, let's jump on our Facebook community, Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Traders. So basically this community, if you don't know yet, is a community that we share a lot of trading opportunities, stock analysis, and also part of our results from past tradings or even entry opportunities here. And that we have just been doing this on Tesla at the moment as the stock's currently trading and at the what we call technically discounted price according to our strategy. The idea of this community is to educate members to at least avoid making the silly mistakes that any beginners make, which is most of the time buying stocks at the FOMO area. We don't want to buy at the FOMO area at all. And we, mostly important, try to detect when and understand when stocks are trading at technically discounted or technically fair price, which is where we're supposed to be buying stocks. Now, let's understand a little bit about Tesla first. So a lot of people think Tesla is just about cars, but it's not. Tesla has all sort of other divisions as well, and I'm going to go through in detail now. But first of all, why are we looking at Tesla? Why are we looking at Tesla? First of all, this is a diversification from Australian stocks. So basically going to US stock, which is trading in US dollar and has most of its revenue indexed into US dollar, which is exactly what risk mitigation here is about. But Tesla, compared to other car manufacturers, Tesla has a massive competitive advantage. And for a lot of people, this is an arguable statement. But for me, it's very clear. First of all, I'm going to share a few points here that supports the fact that for me, Tesla has competitive advantage among most of other car manufacturers. First of all, because marketing expenditure is minimal in comparison to similar businesses. So you see Tesla, for example, advertised from Tesla in magazines or on the internet, on Facebook, on TV. No, you don't see anything like this. Anything, because Tesla sells itself. This is a dream for most of car manufacturers. And obviously, in order to achieve such a brand equity, sort of speaking, it's extremely hard for any company to do it. In fact, we've seen that happen with Apple, for example. Apple products, you go in the Apple store, buy Apple iPhone or Apple Watch, you don't bargain that. They're not going to make any discount. Whereas you go to Mitsubishi, you go to VW, you go to General Motors, and you can always bargain about the car. You can always get a car for 5%, 10% sometimes from the recommended retail price. So you cannot do that with Tesla at all. Now, also Tesla battery extends beyond its all electric cars. And there's a grid of other application as well. So we talk about Tesla, also Tesla supercharged network, Tesla roof, which it's just a new technology, which basically you use Tesla tiles, which is solar solar chargeable, and then you can just build your whole roof out of this technology. And also Tesla software for EV cars is unique. It is ahead of most of the other manufacturers, and Tesla continuously updating this software in order to add a more secure and more refined user experience for the car. So obviously is a pioneer in great quality electric cars and technology. Now, obviously Elon Musk is a visionary that has been delivering many projects successfully, and obviously we endorse here Elon Musk companies in this regard. Obviously, not all the Elon Musk companies are in the same level Tesla, but we talk specifically about Tesla here, and it is very important to understand. Now, Tesla was currently in a sell-off formation. Let's go to the technical aspect of the stock. Tesla has taken about 30% fall over the last couple of months. And that's exactly why we look into Tesla stock, because back in May, we bought the stock here, and we were able to lock in 40% profit out of this stock right here on this rally. And if you can see, we have what they call a bullish intersection, and then a bearish intersection, and then another bullish intersection, and then another bearish intersection. So basically means when you have bullish, bearish intersection, means that this strategy is not the most suitable for a stock. And then when that happens, just means the stock is sideways. Stock is trading sideways, and that's when bullish and bearish intersection loses its effect over a long-term rally. And then we use support, or hypothetical support levels and hypothetical resistance levels, which is exactly what it is here. And then what we have here is indication that this is one sort of the stock bottom up around $200 here, US dollars here, and then bottom up again $200 US dollars. We, a lot of people arguably call this a double bottom, but it's really short term. And then and then the stock rallied really hard together with the Nasdaq for 47% from that sort of level. So we managed to lock in 40% out of this trade. Now is happening exactly the same. And not just because the chart formation, but because the fundamentals are fantastic for Tesla at the moment, despite a lot of analysts been saying that Tesla competition is emerging. But honestly, if you look at what Tesla is breaking through in terms of the market share, is actually taking a lot of market share from fossil fuel cars. And that's why we want to look into this, because it's not just competing with electric cars, it's competing with actually fossil fuel. That's the majority of the market is gonna be taking anyway, together with the other players. But let's face the experience of driving, and I'm being I've been fortunately enough to have been driving. I drove Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, and then also as Ionic 5 from Hyundai. So I had the opportunity to have those two experiences. And then look, other cars are really good as well, but Tesla is beyond, is in front of in terms of technology and refinement. Now, look at this. Maybe some people won't agree with me now, obviously, especially the ones that have bought electric cars in another manufacturer. But the battery life is a lot better and is accessible in terms of technology, and also Tesla is already working on technology about launching much longer life battery for the cars, which is still which is at the front of most of car manufacturers. Now, but back into the chart, that's what matters to us. So we had also a double top here, which people arguably can say that this is a double top. In some way, there was a double bottom here, which as we said in previous video, we don't really make decisions out of double top, what they call double top, double bottom, but we make decisions about what is the fundamental and when is the stocks trading at technically discounted price, which is exactly what's happening here. So first of all, you see the red line and the pink line, they both are SMAs, simple moving averages. Both of those lines show us what's the long-term trend. Actually, the pink line shows the long-term trend for Tesla, which shows that it's still bullish, still going up. So obviously a little bit Q down here, but we have a massive crash on the market. But I'm still confident about long-term prospect for Tesla. And the SMA here, 40, is trading at the moment $275 US dollars. That means anyone buying Tesla stock now would be paying precisely 20% below the SMA 40, and also will be paying we will be paying 26% below the SMA 250, which for us it's a technically discounted price entry at the moment. We never want to buy at the FOMO area. This is a FOMO area, guys. You see on the opposite side, when the stock's trading at FOMO area, this is a FOMO area example. Okay. Now, on the other side is a technically discounted price. This is where we ever want to buy stock, good quality company that is trading at technically discounted price. We never want to buy on a FOMO area. Okay, simply like this. If you use this rule, you probably will save yourself already 50% of what we would be losing in terms of entry at the wrong position, and then the other 50% is just to get it. To have patience to get the stock into the target price. But for us, we're not getting into detail whether a Tesla will succeed over the next 5 or 10 years. All we want to do here is make 40% out of this stock over the next 3 to 6 months. That's all we wanted to do it. Because, a lot of people put money on savings account or term deposits to get miserable 2 or 4 or 5% now because interest rates are a little bit higher. So what about making 40% out of investing in a great quality company, one of the leading auto manufacturing companies in the world? So this is a much better sort of like, we can arguably say investment, but for me, investment is always about real estate. But this would be a short-term trade, which you probably putting the money to invest and then make it grow quickly. So yeah, for us, definitely Tesla is on a buying area, and that's the only reason we've done this video, because I think it's an incredible opportunity. I wanted to share with you this incredible opportunity, and we have here indications according to our KPIs that we are reversing here. You see this green candle on the Heikin Nacht shows that the sell activity has been weakening, and then exactly where we want to be buying. Okay, bottom of the channel where buying activity starts to pile in, and that's what's happening with Tesla. Guys, this is my thoughts on Tesla. You please put your thoughts on the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. And yeah, so today's Friday. I might even do another video today, but yeah, so this is another great opportunity that I'm looking into it, and just sharing with you guys. Have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.